Velcro. Mm-hmm. Velcro. She's gonna follow her dad. This is Velcro's first evening at home. We just came home from picking her up in Nebraska. She's 8 weeks old. She's a red Australian Shepherd, and she loves to have her belly rubbed. She smiles and she talks, and she loves to play. Yeah, she's so cute. Did anyone tell the squirrels? I warned them this morning. Those squirrels are going to be in for a big surprise. Hi, Velcro. Good girl. She peed.
Oh, good girl.
Hi, Velcro. What's Mom doing? Do you like to be on the camera? Hello. You're going to have to learn not to do that. Good girl. You like this yard?